Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin after this breakout rejected by this 45k resistance and moving down, and now we are at the support of an ascending triangle. And in today's video we will talk about this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that Bitcoin broke out this very long-term channel, rallied very well, rejected by this 45k resistance, moved down, again moved up, and here we are rejected by this 45k resistance and this red line as well, that is the 100 daily simple moving average. We broke down the 42k support and 40k support as well. Now we are dropped at the support of an ascending triangle. You can see that we have few touch points here, few touch points here as well, and now we are moving down to hit this support once more. Now, for example, if the price line will have a reversal move from here, then we can adjust this support in this way. However, I'm expecting that there is still a small gap to be covered, and the price line can move a little bit more down to touch this support here approximately at 37.5k. Then we can expect that the price line may have some accumulation above the support like we had here and here as well, and it will move towards the resistance of the triangle that is here at 45k. You can see that this price level resistance of 45k is also the resistance of this ascending triangle as well, and this is very strong resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the previous history, we can see here it was working as a resistance in the month of Feb 2022. Before that, here as a support, and here as a support for the past several days, and here it worked as a support, and before this it has been working as a support here as well. And the 42k, by the way, also was a very strong support, but the price line also broke it down. 40k was also very significant support, this one, and you can see here it worked as a support, and here it worked as this 40k worked as a resistance. So the price line has also broken down 40k support as well. And if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then we are not only rejected by the 100 daily simple moving average, we are also rejected by this green line, that is the 21 exponential moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we have the support of the 100 weekly simple moving average approximately at 33.3k. Now if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, here we have a bit more critical situation, because here price line formed a bear flag, and you can see this was the channel on the hourly time frame chart that price line formed, and this was the support of this channel, and by the way, this was the pole of the bear flag. Now if I place this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, then we can see that this movement is not retraced more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore, this is a perfect bear flag, and the price line has also broken down this support of the channel or bear flag, and the target to the downside after this breakout will be very down from here. That will be approximately here at 36.3k. However, until this support of the triangle is saved and it is not broken down, we can expect that price line will not move down to hit this target of the bear flag, and we can expect a reversal move from here. So the next few hours or days, I think few hours are very important. It will be decided very soon whether are we going to break down this support or not. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.